Welcome to another video, the same every time, GCSE Maths, GCSE Maths. Here's another question that I really wanted to do because it's one of these identity questions, like the last video, but we're still using the skills of expanding brackets and simplifying. If you watched the last video, then perhaps you could pause this one, have a go at the question, and then compare your answer with mine. Here is an identity. A brackets 3x minus 10 equals 21x plus 2b. Work out the values of A and B. Even if you're in your exam and you look at this question and you're really not sure what you should do, well, you should do something and then see what happens. And the left-hand side does look like a question where we are expected to expand the brackets. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. Let's do something and see what happens. So A multiplied by 3 multiplied by x would be 3ax. Remembering that A is just some number, just some fixed number that we have to find the value of. Minus 10, so A times minus 10, minus 10A. And that's an identity. Remember the identity symbol there from the last video? That means that the left-hand side and the right-hand side are exactly the same thing, but written in a different way. So they are exactly the same thing, but written in a different way. So now we can just compare the left-hand side and the right-hand side. On the right-hand side, I've got 21 times x, and that has to be exactly the same as I have on the left-hand side. So 21 times x, then 3a times x. So 21 and 3a must be exactly the same thing. So 3a is the same thing as 21. 3a equals 21. So a would be 21 divided by 3. So that gives us a is equal to 7. So A equals 7 is our first letter for that particular question. Now, the numbers on their own. Here we go. What have we got here? On the left-hand side, I've got negative 10a. Negative 10a is the numbers on their own. Negative 10a, not involving the x. And on the right-hand side, the part that doesn't involve the x is positive 2b. So those have to also be, because of the identity sign, they have to be exactly the same thing. So negative 10a must be exactly the same thing as positive 2b. I won't write the positive sign, we don't really need to at that stage. Now negative 10 times a. I already know what a was. A was 7. So negative 10 multiplied by 7 equals 2 times b. Negative 70, negative 10 times 7 equals 2 times b. So we're getting somewhere here. I've got 2 times b equals negative 70. So b must be negative 70 divided by 2, which is negative 35. So that's it, I get myself the 3 marks. However, I am just going to write down at the end of my question my final answers, that A equals 7 and that B must be negative 35. So even though this question doesn't look very nice when you first see it, we can use all the skills that we've learned and we can solve this question. We can get ourselves into the marks. The same every time, isn't it? Apart from the numbers, the same thing, all the same skills. Get yourself into the marks, get yourself into the grades. If the video was useful to you, then please press the like button. And also if you press the subscribe button, that's going to be very useful to us. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be back for the next one.